Today, we're gonna try and figure something out here because we got the old fancy cross-line laser to hang these cabinets, but we have a weird ceiling. If you can't see it, it goes made that way, not falling to the ground, made that way. So we only have 12 inches between the bottom of the cabinet and the top of the countertop. So we're going to use our fancy dancy leveling tool over here, known as a antler deer block, to build up deer's antlers. We're just going to use that and stick a cabinet under there. Oh, take that. Oh, take that. Oh, take that. Rip it. Not rip it there. Rip it there. Okay.
You're not making a choice. It's not on the cardboard.
It will be in a second.
If these counters are that sensitive, then
They are not really. I mean,
we picked the wrong ones.
No, they're pretty. Look at. They're not getting wrecked any way, shape, or form. Rubbing back and forth, everything.
I think that cardboard would have like
Oh,
scratched the heck out of them.
Okay, I will tell you right now, cardboard does not scratch. Crap in the cardboard scratches. Cardboard alone does not scratch.
So pretty.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna
Let's
lift
do.
it.
Well,
How about we do it over? How about we do it over here and we shove the whole cardboard over? Oh, these strange people.
Nope. Not a good
Crisis
idea.
averted.
Not a good idea.
Here, see.
Really? How am I supposed to reach past you?
Climb on the counter.
No way.
This will not break.
Scary. No. I know this won't break, but nothing's tied down.
I would be on the counter if I could move correctly. Okay.
Let's.
Well, now you need to grab the block and spin it since you're not going to climb on the counter.
I don't know how long you think my arms are. You know.
Well, I know you can climb on the counter.
Scary. I'm scared.
Yeah, that's the problem. Get on up.
What am I doing?
Lifting it up.
Lifting it up?
Not heavy.
Oh, it's not?
I lifted it. Gotta get a drill. Oh, look. I had one here already. Oh, look. I had my screws prepared.
Prepared. So we need the level?
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
What do you mean, nope?
We're shoving it up to the roof, putting one screw, and then we'll put the level on.
So I have to...
Now, I'm going to say spank you. Here, let me spin.
What happened here?
I'll fix it.
Seriously?
It should come. Don't. I'll fix it. We should have taken that door off too. It'll come out.
I think it's just...
Mr. Clean Magic Eraser.
I haven't even got to move into it yet, and it's got a scratch.
Is it on?
Now we're gonna do this other side and get the cabinet out of the way. We're just gonna use the spacing that we have on the other side of that one. That corner cabinet that we just put up is kind of like the cornerstone, if you will. We have to build everything else off of because of the ceiling and the corner and the window reveal and all the things. So we got 2 inches on that side of the window, so we need 2 inches on this side of the window. And so the trim, once we get the window all trimmed out, will end up being about a 2.5, 3 inch trim on the sides there, and then the top will have to do a fun little thing up there for that. So it is what it is. It's an old house, but it's gonna be gorgeous, or more gorgeouser, or really cool. I can't wait.
Oh, please.
Please what? Whoops. Oh, I just entered the dishwasher. I didn't. Today's the day. We're gonna get one big box out of the living room.
Got a lot of dang big boxes out.
I know, but this is another one that's getting out of the living room, and we're gonna install the new microwave. Hold tight. What we are going to be doing is
do everything the instructions say.
Yeah, reading the instructions and putting it right there, and shouldn't be too terribly difficult, but you know, we shall see.
The difficult part will be lifting it into place.
Yeah, that'll be a little struggle, but maybe not.
Because a bunch of old fart weaklings.
So we'll see, but super excited. One good thing though is that they give you these templates that you just kind of tape them onto the wall there, and that makes it pretty easy because we have some holes to drill, we have a bracket to install, and then we just slap it up there just like it ain't no thing.
Almost ate a pole. My head was
Somebody's
right
out there
for
trying
that
to
beam.
dance in the living room.
Tripped over the dang wrapping paper.
He be tripping, man. He be tripping. Okay, well, had to charge some batteries. The camera overheated and batteries died and all of the things, so we took a little break. But while the cameras were not rolling, we did get our holes drilled. There's the big one there for the cord, and the other two there for the bolts that hold the microwave to the cabinet. So we've got the wall bracket up, the holes are there, and
microwave's still in the middle of the floor.
What we have to do now is turn the blower, because we're not using a vented one. We're using it so that it recirculates back into the room. And so Yeah. We're not putting any more holes or anything to the outside or up into the attic or anything like that. So we have to take the microwave itself
There's
and
a dog butt on your power cord.
and do all the things to make it so that it does that. And I believe that means just turning the fan around, right?
Yeah, and screwing a couple of screws. Could you do something for me?
What?
Move that small horse off the cord.
This right here?
Yeah.
Can't even get it all in the camera at once. Hey, Max, how about you get up, buddy?
Maxie.
Get up, bud.
Oh. Okay.
There you go. So, do you
I don't know
know
why.
how to do this, or?
Not really, but you know what? That has never stopped me before.
Well, I know, but I mean, what I mean by that is, did you?
I read it, I watched it, I read it, I watched it.
So
Max. And we have a dog that's going to help me tear it apart.
Okay.
I need to move.
And then a whining Aussie.
What's the matter with you, Maggie? Maggie. Lily, come here.
Silly goose. She's like, those neighbor dogs have me all wound tight.
They got you going crazy, huh? You want to go eat them. Bite them. Chomp, 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 chomp.
Hey, you understand me, Dad. You got me.
Max, I need you to move, baby.
Max, back up. Back up.
Come on.
Back the bus up, buddy.
Okay. Push the end over. Towards me. Okay. So this is the top, right?
Yeah, that's the door
Okay.
right there, so.
Clean that styrofoam off over there for me and put it where I can just tilt this onto it. Those are actually
Ouch.
pieces we don't even really need.
Except for those things.
The grease trapping vent
Yeah.
scuba doers.
Just add this to all this stuff over here.
We can leave that cardboard thing on there. Or put it on that side over there. I'm going to tip it up onto it. There we go.
That was gentle and all the things.
It was manual. Okay.
Don't wreck my sink.
If cardboard.
Isn't that where you keep your sink, in the middle of your living room floor?
It's where we keep ours right now.
Someday, very soon, that'll change.
Maybe tomorrow.
Nope, not tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. where it was.
Look at that. You turned it around.
Plug it in to try it, honey.
Nope.
Now we gotta hang it.
Icky. And
Icky, icky, bobicky, me, my, ooh,
these
sticky,
here
icky.
are where they'll come through the cabinet above it that we drilled the holes for. And then we have the big hole drilled for the plug to go through. We didn't have quite big enough of a thing according to what it says, but I'm pretty sure we can make it work.
If we can't fit that plug through an 1.5 hole, you can call me, I don't know, tomorrow. It'll go through.
Hopefully. Okay, so getting ready for the big move. Moving the thing. We're gonna go put these up in the cupboard up there behind my head there. And then we're gonna get this thing mounted to the wall.
Oh my God, I'm terrified.
Me too.
You should be. I'm not strong enough to lift the crap anymore.
Okay, there's that, and there's that. One on each side. Okay, moving the stool.
Whoa!
Zoom.
I got strong for a second.
Zoom. Oh, is that right? Was that unnerving?
I know. Okay, baby, down. Okay,
Out of the kitchen, guys. Go. Okay, so we got this stuff stacked here. Okay. Not sure where the camera turned off, but we got it this far. Now we just got to get it onto that thing. We may have to
jack it up.
find somebody to help. Because it's the problem is there's a reach and a reach, and we're short-armed. I feel like a T-Rex right now, you know, trying to do this job.
Gotta put the plug in. I did it. I lifted it. Me, I did it by myself. Actually, she was there. Pull it up. Why is it not? Oh my gosh.
Oh, the cord. What the heck?
There. So, yeah. Is cord pinched?
Doesn't feel like it. Nope.
Okay.
It's good.
All right. Honey.
Yeah, you want me to put a bolt in?
Sure, but could you get down off this ladder first?
Why?
Something happened when you weren't looking.
Oh. Oh, don't drop it. Please
I
don't
won't.
drop
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Can I plug it in?
No, put the bolts in. Is it tightening? Pull
Yep.
it. Try to lift it up. All right. Okay. Hold it. Push it towards the wall. Well,
My stool is sliding and I have no...
Okay, get it. Come here.
What do you need?
I need you to come down here.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Come on. It doesn't take that much to hold it. But my pants are gonna fall off again, so hurry. There were some bits over. Okay, look. Oh, you got it? Okay. Whew. There go my drawers.
Oh, that wants to just fall. Get it attached.
No, you do it. Here. Okay, I got it. Okay. Move your stool over here where it needs to be.
You got it?
Yes. It only takes very little to hold it. Just don't tighten it all the way. Get the other one in. Here, hold on. You're coming this way. Okay, now use the drill. Just get it straight and level. That's good. More. There's stuff inside you don't want to run that screw down into.
Alright.
Plug it in, see what it does.
Yeah.
Turns on. Except it's not doing there. Okay.
Please press set.
Hot diggity dang! That's freaking exciting.
For you it is.
It is.
I have hemorrhoids now from lifting that.
Hemorrhoids? You do not.
Oh.
It's a beautiful thing. Ah. Look at that. More lights. We did it.
Sorry about my pants. There was nothing I could do.
And look at that. One more box out the door. Here's your toy, Gusty.
Where you going, love? Mom's not going out. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Onto the endless pile. But maybe this week we'll go bye-bye?
As soon as I can get it over to him, he wants to use it to build a luxury target out of.